Hello friends, welcome to the channel OmniGyan. Friends, many of you have this problem of reading documents in either PDF or Word format. Now, there are many mobiles which have pre-installed applications of PDF and Word Reader, but sometimes what happens is that uh, in many mobiles there are many apps which are not pre-installed and people are not able to read the PDF or Word files. Okay, so today in this tutorial I will be telling you that in case if somebody sends you a document in Word format, okay, how you will be able to read that file. Okay, so first of all, what you will have to do is that you will have to open your Google Play Store. Here it is, and after you open Google Play Store, type here MS Word Reader. Okay, okay, now when you type, look at the third option here. Okay, look at the third option, Microsoft Word Write, Edit and Share. It is from Microsoft Corporation. Okay, so you will have to click on it. Okay, and because I have already installed this application, so I do not have download option here. I have directly the open option. Otherwise, if you have not downloaded, the download option will come right at this side. Okay, and since I have this particular thing already installed, okay, Microsoft Word already installed, so I will click on open from here. Okay, and when I click on open, you'll be able to see all these files which I have. Okay, now when somebody sends you a Microsoft file, a Microsoft Word file, okay, a Word file, then what we have to do is that through this application you will be able to read all the Word documents. Okay, all the Word documents. Say for example, I have to read a Word document which has been sent to me through WhatsApp. Okay, through WhatsApp. So this is the Word document. Okay, and when I click on it, if you do not have the application installed, and if any application is not pre-installed in your mobile, you will not be able to read the file. Otherwise, because I have already installed it, so when I click on it, you can see that the file has come up here and I am able to read the entire file which comprises of 3 pages. Okay friends, so in this way you can read all the Word files, and if you are not able to read PDF file, in the same manner you can go to Play Store and you can type here PDF Reader. Okay, PDF Reader. Okay, and you can come to the third option here, though you can select any of this, but I would prefer you to open the third option. So if you open the third option, I don't have installed, I already have PDF Acrobat PDF Reader application in my mobile, so I will not install this. But in case if you do not have any pre-installed application of reading PDF, what you can do is that you can click on install, and in the same manner you can read your files. Okay, I hope you have understood. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you so much.